Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today what we're going to do is we're going to check the time, the date a file was created. So what you need to do is import date time, from date time import date time. Now if you don't already have this module on board, you might have to install it through pip. Okay, let's create the function creation, and that's gonna be date, creation date. I'm gonna call that. Create the path. Well, the file that I want to check is on my desktop, so it's going to be C users mark desktop. So that's the path to my desktop. So I've got to do os.chdr, change directory to this path because that's where the file is that I want to check on. Right, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to create file name, and I think the file is called something like b.txt. That's the file name. Let me just have a little check. Yeah, b.txt. Let's just make sure. Yeah, b.txt. There we go. Right. Okay. So that's the file name. So we're going to do the conditional now. So if os.path.exists, it's simply going to be file name. We're going to create a variable called time created. We're going to assign this to os.path.get create seed time, creation time, okay, of the file name. Okay, right. Then we're simply going to print out. We're going to format the string using fstring, and that's going to be. Let's have a look. I can't see anything there. This is going to be file name. I'm simply going to say created. And then we're going to use. I'll just shrink this down a little bit to fit this on first of all. Sorry about that, people. This is going to be date time dot from timestamp here. Then we're going to do time created. Time created, and we'll just close that off there. Okay, or else print file not found. Okay, let's just have a little run. Date time from timestamp. Okay, so all we have to do now is call the program, which is creation date. Let's just save that. Let's just run the program. And there you go. b.txt created, and it gives us the date, and it also gives us the time there. So there you go, folks. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that. Remember, If you're not already subscribed to the channel, make sure you hit the subscription button below, and I'll catch you guys in another video. Bye bye.